Here are some of the telltale signs that you're being called to the high frequency energies of ancient Lemuria. You hear or read the word Lemuria and it grabs your attention. It feels familiar somehow. It rouses your curiosity. That's the most common sign. When I first heard the word Lemuria, I had no idea what it was, but I felt something click inside of me, like a switch being flipped on. And that changed the trajectory of my entire spiritual path. My wife had a similar experience. And over the years, I've connected with thousands of people around the world who have felt that same mysterious connection. Another common sign that you're being called to Lemuria is that you have daydreams or memories of a place that feels like heaven on earth or the Garden of Eden. Whether these images are vivid or vague, somehow it feels like home, a place where everything is based in love. There's no competition, no fear. People are working in harmony with each other and with all living things. If you have memories like that, that's a pretty good sign that you're tapping into your Lemurian past. This is not random and it's not an accident. In a very sacred and profound sense, you're being called home to yourself. This connection you feel means that you have a unique opportunity to rediscover more of who you truly are and reconnect with your Lemurian legacy. And in my course, I look forward to guiding you along that path.